The 10th hall stood severe and still, constructed out of weight and will. Stone corridors without decay, no sunlight reached this place. Massive scales hung from the ceiling, perfectly balanced, perfectly cold.
Welcome, law and enforcement.
Justice, order,
protection.
At first the hall inspired trust, heavy oak and polished brass, historic rulings carved in stone, principles older than nations. For one brief moment, everything felt necessary. Then the lower chambers opened. Procedural obstruction, weaponized litigation, strategic delay tactics, mandatory arbitration creep, class action waivers, selective prosecution, plea-bargain, coercion. Of endless courtrooms stretched far beyond the visible dark. Inside each room, someone waited,
Not for truth,
for affordability.
Legal fee gatekeeping.
Access to counsel inequality, appeal process labyrinths. Further on the hall divided, one side glowed with constitutional grandeur, the other narrowed into concrete cells, both connected underground. With numbered doors, echoed with rehearsed remorse. Every confession sounded tired, every agreement strangely rushed. And above the corridor in silver institutional lettering appeared the phrase:
resolution through efficiency.
Cash bail traps.
Fine and fee farming.
Quota-driven policing.
Civil asset forfeiture abuse. Then came the chamber of immunities.
No statues stood inside,
Only uniforms suspended in glass.
spotless and untouched by consequence.
Below them moved endless shadows.
Filing complaints through invisible systems.
Most never reached the ceiling.
Observe the architecture carefully. A system does not require universal corruption to produce normalized injustice.
It requires asymmetry. The deeper levels felt abandoned, fluorescent lights flickered overhead. Metal beds lined crowded rooms, time itself seemed overused. Some prisoners screamed, most had stopped.
Jail overcrowding.
Solitary confinement overuse.
Medical neglect in custody.
Probation, fee traps, parole violation churn.
I passed a man who quietly asked how many years remain.
No one answered.
Even the clocks avoided him.
One corridor displayed historic triumphs. Rights defended,
Violence reduced,
order preserved.
and underneath each achievement,
Another layer slowly emerged.
selective enforcement,
Forum shopping,
venue manipulation,
precedent cherry picking.
Qualified immunity shielding.
Predictive policing bias, surveillance tech creep.
At the center of the hall
Stood an enormous blindfold,
suspended in darkness.
not invention of making procedural legitimacy more important than substantive fairness. The hall remained impossibly calm despite the suffering inside it
That frightened me most.
No chaos, no collapse.
Only continuity.
Hell prefers systems that can continue functioning indefinitely. As we turned away to leave, I heard keys moving somewhere deep beneath the stone and steel.
And somewhere high above the hall,
Someone still believed
justice and law
were always the same thing.
next human.